Now that we've made the bottom and the sides, the last piece to make is this handle. Alright, so let's go and make a new sheet metal part. Just like with the other two, we have to change the defaults. Let's make this galvanized steel. Change your thickness to 0.0239. That's 24 gauge steel. Click apply. And now when we go to create a 2D sketch, let's choose the top one here. We want to look at the dimensions. Looks like the overall dimensions are 13 by 2.75. So we're going to go make a rectangle. It's going to be 13 across, tab, and I forget what the other dimension was. The other dimension is 2.75. 2.75. Good. Let's finish our sketch. Face this. Click OK. This is going to be the piece that you start off with. It's a thin sheet of sheet metal. Let's say new sketch. Now we're going to notch out the corners. So easiest thing is going to be to use my 2-point rectangle. I'm going to click on each of those. Oop, missed there. So I can just go to restart. Alright, and we should just be able to dimension 1 and figure it out from there. So this needs to be 0.875 down, and it doesn't tell us how far in, but we know that this handle part is 11 and this is 13, and there's 1 on each side, so 11 minus 13 is 2, so each of these is 1 inch. So 1 inch over, 8.75 down. Here's our 8.75. Oh, better make that 0.875. That'd make a lot more sense. And 1 inch over. And now using geometric constraints, I can say equal and have the 1 inch side equal to the 1 inch sides. And our 0.875 equal to 0.875. Let's finish your sketch. Go back to cut. We are removing this material. And now let's make a new sketch on top of this. This is where you would get out your Sharpie. You start drawing lines. So we're simulating that on here. Now I'm going to use the offset tool, which we've not used much in the past, but it makes things go a lot faster. Okay, let's make sure these are set the right distance apart. This is supposed to be from here to here, 0.375. And it's symmetrical. So we can say the same thing on either side. And this distance, oh, didn't quite snap to the corner, so it's a good thing I checked. Should be 0.875. Okay, let's finish our sketch. And the first fold is just going to make sure that we don't have any sharp edges. Well, yeah, let's do that one first. Let's see if it'll let us. I'm going to say this is the fold line. Look at the way that arrow's pointing. That doesn't look good. So we're going to flip it the other direction. That looks much better. It's folding in towards the center. Make this 180 degrees so we get rid of any sharp edges and click OK. And now we're going to cheat again. Make sketch 3 visible. We'll use all those same lines. We're going to fold this again here. 180 degrees. Arrow looks good. Click OK. Fold again. This time we're only folding up 90 degrees. There we go. And one more fold here. Make sure that arrow looks right, and mine it does not. Now it does. There's your flip control. Click OK. Alright, and we're going to turn off visibility of your sketch so that doesn't look funky. Let's make a new sketch on here. And we are going to make folds there. And there. Finish your sketch. I'm going to fold this at 90 degrees. It's already set to 90 from the last one. And I'm going to fold this other one, which I can't see from this side. Oh, and the line disappeared, so I go to the plus for fold 5, right click sketch 4, check visibility, fold. There's my line. It's going the wrong way, so I have to flip it. 90 degrees. Looks good. Alright, let's turn that sketch back off for visibility. And let's save this. Again, make sure this is saving to your toolbox folder. And we will call this handle.